Hello, everyone, and meet the heavy-duty pull-out cabinet organizers that transform your cluttered kitchen storage instantly. These drawers feature nano adhesive film for a simple installation without any drilling or messy nails required. You can easily slide these carbon steel drawers out to reach items tucked deep inside your lower cabinets. The extendable design allows you to adjust the width from 12 to 20 inches for a perfect fit. Each premium metal organizer is built with a sturdy baking finish to support your heaviest pantry items safely. Use them in your bathroom, bedroom, or office to keep every room organized and looking completely professional. Say goodbye to kneeling on the floor and enjoy a more efficient home with these multifunctional sliding drawers. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.